Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about keyword research. Yes, we are publishing some keyword research video, and this is keyword research part 3, and this is SEO full course for my audience. And I think this keyword research tutorial will be very helpful for SEO learner. And today, we want to discuss about service based keyword research. So in this class we will learn how to research service based website keyword properly. So let's get started. Thank you so much. So if you are a new viewers in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and please like this video and watch this video start to end. And I think after watching this video, you can easily know how to research keyword research for service-based websites. So I want to jump on my Chrome browser to start the process. So let's go. Okay, I think you know about the service. Like you want to sell suppose you have a business like marketing agency, for example. So you want to research some keywords for your agency. Right now I am from Bangladesh, so I want to research keyword research for a marketing agency. So I want to search here for brainstorming. I think you okay. Suppose you have a business like a digital marketing agency, so you want to research some keywords for your agency. You are providing marketing a service like digital marketing and some other service. So first of all, you should search some keywords from your area. Like I am from the Bangladesh and I want to research some keywords from here, and I want to search based marketing agency and I want to see the result. Okay, so I want to see from the result. Okay, first of all, the review website and then some other website, and the next thing, very important thing, is some Google map results, and this is for local service and local result. When you will search some service from your area, Google definitely show some results for local agency and based on your local search, like your city or your country. So right now I'm from Bangladesh, so Google showing these kinds of results. So I want to pick long tail keyword. So I want to just click here and then click space, and I want to see the suggested results from here. So the first one is best marketing agency in Bangladesh, and I want to just see the search result from the search area, and this is 90 from the Bangladesh. I think the search volume is bigger because sometimes some tools not provide the 100% accurate result. So I think this is 100 plus search volume. So I want to pick this long tail keyword, and please make this sheet like this one, keyword MSB and all in title. So I want to pick this one, and I want to put the MSB, that means monthly search volume. So okay, so another one is all in title. I want to explain everything after research my keywords. So this is my first keywords, and I want to think about actually how many keywords I can pick for my agency. If you working for a clients, your clients have a marketing agency or something like that, and you are research some keywords. Also, this is for an example. So you can research for any kinds of service, like dog grooming service, like cleaning service, USA or something like that. Follow my process. After that, you can research any kinds of niche, no problem. Okay, see if I will find any keywords here, but there is no suggestion. So I want to look here some other keywords like digital marketing agency, and yes, this is another keyword, and another plus PC for the keyword search for suggestion bar and for the keyword ideas, and this is very interesting thing. You are researching keywords from the free tools, so you should see idea from the keyword server extension right here. So digital marketing agency, digital marketing company in Bangladesh, and digital marketing agency BD. So I want to pick three keywords like this one, and this one, and this one. There are four keywords, and I want to copy all the keywords from the selection. So yes, five. So I want to copy all the keywords. So after select, just click download CSV, and you will find your keywords. Okay, so I got a lot of keywords from the keyword server idea section. And here all the keywords: best marketing agency in Bangladesh, digital marketing agency, digital marketing company Bangladesh, digital marketing agency VD, best digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, best digital marketing agency in Bangladesh. So there are a lot of keywords, and now if you want, you can pick some other keywords from the suggestions. I have already talked about it, and I think you know the idea about it and the search results. So there are top 10 marketing agents in Bangladesh, best digital marketing agency in Dhaka. This is very specific local search. So if you want, you can pick all the keywords. Then you should just research and pick some low competitive keywords for your agency, okay, or for your client. So I want to do some other thing, like I want to see the all-in title value for the digital marketing agency from this keyword. So I want to copy this one, and I want to go here, and I want to just write here all in title, then clone and paste my keywords, then hit enter. Okay, so I want to see. Okay, now I want to see the all-in title value. Before I said that what is all-in title value. Normally the update from the Google, you cannot find the all-in title value here, but when sometimes you cannot find. But if you want to see the all-in title value, just click the tools area, and you will see there are lots of results here, and there are lots of result here from here. But if I want to target here digital marketing agency, there are a lot of competition. But for the local agency, if you want, you should pick. So there are a lot of results, so you cannot pick the keywords for your local base search base search base agency keywords. Okay, so I want to pick another one like digital marketing company Bangladesh. So I want to see the all-in title value. So I want to just replace this one and put this one and hit enter, and I want to see the all-in title value. Yes, this is only 264 results. I have already said if you will find less than 1000 all-in title value, definitely you should pick the keywords, and you can easily rank that keywords, I think. So I want to pick these keywords, and I want to put the all-in title value, and I think you are now clear. You will find lots of keywords, but you should pick after research the all-in title that is below 1000 or near 1500. Okay, so my suggestion, please pick the keywords less than 1000. Okay, so this one is 264, so definitely you can easily pick these keywords for your ranking. So I want to check these keywords, agency BD, these keywords, and I want to see the all-in title value. Yes, this is 536, so definitely I want to pick this one 536. Maybe I want to check again. 536, yes, this one. Okay, so I want to pick these keywords for my ranking. So I have already picked two keywords, so you should just put lots of keywords from your keywords area, and after that you should just find out the all in title value. Definitely you can do it. I think you are clear for the service based keyword research. If you have any question, or you know that I am not a good English speaker, so I think you can take it easy. So if you have any question or need any extra or need any premium tools keyword research, so definitely please like this video and comment here. Definitely I will make some videos for the SEMrush keyword research. Also I want to make a video for the Ahrefs keyword research. Also I want to give you a bonus tips. Suppose you want to see without you want to see some keywords difficulty without any costing. So how can you see? So normally you just search here free keyword generator or research. So I want to search with this keyword. So first of all you will see the first one, free keywords generator for the Ahrefs. Okay, so I want to put here the form for the Google, and I have to select for the Google. If you want to research, you can research for the Bing, YouTube and Amazon. Definitely you can. So, and the country I want to select this one, United States, and I want to search here dog grooming service. So I want to hit enter, and I want to pick the human verification. And yes, here you will see some keywords from the Ahrefs suggestions, and also you can easily see the keyword difficulty. That is very good practice, I think. So without any login or without any costing, you can easily find some keywords and you can get some idea from here. And after that I think you can easily manually research all in title, and then you can decision to pick the keywords. I think this is very clear for you, I think. Also you can see some questions. So if you want to write some article, definitely you should pick these kinds of keywords from here. I think this video is very helpful for you guys. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe and please share this video with your friends, and I will publish the next video as soon as possible. Thank you so much.